Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading for Earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates, guys. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate sa'yo. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, paka-search na lang siya sa Facebook. And, yeah, anyway, this is for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's start your reading. Lord is here. Fire, Guardian, the Sun, Eagle, Stag, and Mirror Guardian. For some of you, this is a twin flame connection. Twin flame energy yung nakukuha natin. And wala tayong nakikitang movement, no? Sa ngayon. I feel like ngayon you are happy kung nasaan ka with the sun. You're just enjoying your success and you're being happy sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na nasa paligid mo. Okay? And nasa tamang direction ka ngayon actually ng buhay mo. Dahil nagiging masaya ka, nagiging masaya yung mga tao sa paligid mo. Nakikita natin na you are manifesting success. And talaga naman na lumalapit ng kusa itong mga success and blessings para sa'yo. We do have the Fire Guardian, so I feel like you're following your dreams, your passion, lalo na pagdating sa iyong career. And nakikita natin with the Lord that ikaw yung nasusunod ngayon sa buhay mo. You want change, whether sa love, whether sa success, career mo, and ginagawa mo rin yung change na kailangan mong gawin sa sarili mo. Dahil alam mo na bago mo ma-achieve yung change na yon na sa buhay mo, kailangan simulan mo sa sarili mo. And you are being, this person na open for changes because of that, no? Natingin mo, kailangan mong magbago din talaga sa sarili mo. So, on tendency, nasa tamang direction ka ngayon. I can see a lot of support coming from your family, from your friends. Kung ano man yung pinili mo direction sa buhay mo, they are there to support you. Pagdating sa person na connect mo, you have your stag. So, that's a stagnant energy. That is someone na parang walang ginagawang actions. With the stag, this is like this is like the deer here na parang alam mo yung yung mga hunter, yung mga ngaso, no? Yung pag nahuli nila yung deer or kung anumang hayop ay pinuputol yung ulo tapos pinipreserve at sinasabit sa wall. So, ang tendency, wala nang kagalaw-galaw. So, that is the energy of the person that you're dealing with, which is possible that this is your soulmate, no? Wala siyang kagalaw na actions or kahit anong ginagawa ngayon. And I feel like this person, marami na nagtangka na kausapin siya or nasabihan siya regarding sa kung anong dapat niyang gawin. Maybe pagdating sa relationship, maaaring may mga nag-advise na rin sa kanya regarding sa connection ninyo or what. Pero wala talaga siyang kagalaw-galaw. And I feel like this person needs more time. Kailangan niya pa ng time para ayusin maybe ang sarili niya. And with the direction guardian, I feel like this person is not sure kung saan siya dapat pumunta, kung ano dapat niyang gawin. Kung ikaw, nasa tamang direction ka, yung person mo yung parang nakikita natin dito na medyo naliligaw. Hindi niya alam kung ano dapat niyang gawin. So, tell me more for Earth sign, please. You do have the Medicine Guardian, so this is your energy, Magic Guardian, Direction Guardian. So, all of these are guardians. So, sabi ko nga, you are well guided no, sa connection ninyo, and also at the same time sa direction na kung saan ka pumupunta ngayon. Especially the direction guardian is there, here. And ikaw yung tipo ng tao na willing ka mag-adjust, willing ka mag-ayos, willing kang ayusin ang sarili mo para maging mas successful ka pa at makapunta ka sa dapat mong puntahan. So, nakakatuwa yung energy mo. And also, you are this person na nakikinig ka rin kasi sa advice ng mga tarot readers na naririnig mo. So, for some of you, that is me, na nagbibigay ng advice sa'yo, and then kinukuha mo rin naman yung mga advice na yun at ina-apply mo sa sarili mo. So, I'm very thankful na nakikinig ka sa akin. So, nandito naman talaga ako as your guidance. So, nakikita natin dito that you are healthy ngayon, no? So, whatever you're doing right now, napakaganda. Pati katawan mo, pati ang health mo, which is pwedeng may mga tinitake ka na medicine or vitamins na nakakatulong lalo para sa'yo. And yeah, the magic guardian is here. So, meron ka mga inilalabas sa sarili mo ngayon, maybe talents, maybe skills na makakatulong lalo pa sa success mo. So, ituloy-tuloy mo lang, makakarating ka rin sa gusto mong papuntahan sa buhay mo, which is especially with the spring. This is you na nakikita mo yung sarili mo as a seed, no? Or as bunga na alam mo na time will come, magiging puno din ako, magiging successful din ako, aangat din ako, mag-grow din ako. So, napaka-positive thinker mo na tao. So, for your person, which is yung person mo, nakakonect pagdating sa love, we do have here the broken arrow. So, I told you, yung person that is not okay, that this person is pwedeng with the high priestess, yeah, you could be dealing with your soulmate, and parang alam mo yung naniniwala siya sa connection ninyo, pero nasasaktan siya kasi wala siyang magawa regarding dito. Like maybe alam niya na kailangan niya mag-take ng actions, pero mas pinipili niyang wag mag-take ng actions. Yeah, if you're dealing with your soulmate is not making any movement kasi tingin niya yun yung dapat gawin, yung wala dapat gawin. And then we do have here the hunter, track down your fears and desires. And we do have your wise one, grow within your current situation. So, ito yung person mo parang sa ngayon mas pinipili niyang tanggapin yung mga bagay na dapat tanggapin. And then with the hunter, and especially nagtago yung hunter sa pagbagsak pa lang ng card, which is, this is like the actions na alam niya dapat gawin, pero mas ginagamit niya yung wise one, which is yung utak niya pagdating sa connection niyo. So, feeling niya yun yung tama, yung wala dapat gawin sa connection niyo. So, what will happen to you in the future, Earth sign? Okay, in the future, you do have here the drum, dream, and journey. And we do have your peacekeeper. Let go of the need to be right. So, for what I can see here, especially we do have here the hermit. This is Virgo energy. In the future, I can see you focusing on yourself. Mas nakikita natin na mas aware ka na sa mga dapat mong pagkatiwalaan na tao at hindi mo dapat pagkatiwalaan na tao. Which is maganda yon. Kailangan mo talaga maging aware sa surroundings mo. Hindi lahat ng tao pwede mong pagkatiwalaan at hindi lahat ng tao dapat mong ituring na kaibigan kasi some of them are kaibigan pero kaaway pala. And that is you na alam mo na kung paano aamuyin at pakakiramdaman yung mga kaaway talaga. And with the peacekeeper, nakikita natin dito yung yung alam mo yun, yung parang ayaw mo na lang rin ng gulo. So, in the future, I can see you being at peace. Ayaw mo ng gulo, kahit sa person na ito, maybe you're not making any movement trend in the future kasi with the drum, you are focusing on your own journey. Diba? And nakikita natin na magiging malakas ka in the future. So, health mo is napakaganda. Yung ayon ng buhay mo ngayon napakaganda. And in the future, mas magiging maganda pa. Mas may patutunguhan ka talaga. So, ayun lamang. Thank you for watching. Sana nakarelate kayo. Please do like and subscribe. I love you all guys. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.